What is going on, guys? Today's video we're going to be doing a desk setup build. This is for my video setup. So this was very expensive. Number one, we're doing a electric white desk. Everything you see in this video will be linked in the description down below. If you haven't seen my gaming setup build, I also encourage you to watch that. Video is in the top right, and you can go to watch that video. I highly recommend it. A lot of hours and time, blood, sweat, and tears put into that video, as well as this video. So make sure you guys go ahead and share it with all your friends. Do anything you want. I'm having giveaways in both videos. We're going to be giving away these light bars you can see in the background. They retail for about 80 bucks. I've done a review on them if you also want to see those. They retail for about 80 bucks. You can do lots of cool things with them. They have cool music modes, RGB-IC, color chase, tons of different things within there. So I'm going to be giving away those away in this video. You can see the other video for the other giveaway. Stay tuned for that. Let's just get straight into it. This is insane. This box weighs like 100 pounds. I missed that completely. So on top we have, figured, my address. All right, so right here we have a user manual to be able to actually set this up. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of reading. Dang, this is heavy. This is gonna be a heavy desk. Sucks for me when I move. Yeah, this is the base. So this is one of the legs, I guess you can say. Got another leg. Oh shoot, that wasn't very good. The power supply. So I guess we got a power supply. We got a, oh, this is the control block. So what is this? Is this a power supply? What is this? Yes. We got all the tools here, nicely laid out. We got some, oh, wow, these come with cable ties. We got some cable management up in here. This is a very budget friendly, I don't want to say budget, but it's really well priced for a electric desk. So if you want your first electric desk or you want to give one to like your teenager or whatever, this is one of the best ones you can get on Amazon for the price especially. We got, what is this? Something. I need to sneeze, hold up. So much dust. I don't know what this is, but we got something else. There's a, oh, it extend. Oh, this is one of the extending. What do we got here? Can't even. Dang, this thing is heavy. Another bar. All right, finally, we're almost done. Okay, and then the desk is over there, but I will unbox that once I have this, not like that. So yeah, I will be right back. I'll situate everything. Desk, oh, okay. This, I've seen this on Amazon. Oops. I've seen this on Amazon and I really needed it. So I have these lights right here that Neewer sent to me. They're really good, except those poles right there are huge. They're tripods. And I always hit my chair on those poles. I trip over those poles. I've gone through a lot of struggle with those. So these are desk clamps for those lights. That way I don't have to struggle with it. Okay, so right here, they feel all right, decent quality. And I did end up going with one of these desk clamps for my camera and phone. Obviously it's a C clamp with the top part being fully adjustable, and you can adjust the height and stuff like that. This is going to be perfect obviously because I do have the electric desk, so a tripod wouldn't really be ideal since you would have to adjust it. So that's how that setup is, and I can attach the ring light like this. This is going to be really easy and quick compared to the previous one that I had, which is really amazing, and it's very minimal. Like it doesn't even, you can't even see a whole lot of bulk. It's really good. Do you want to save money on Amazon? Want to fulfill your online shopping obsession? That's where Vipon comes in. Vipon is a coupon app made by Amazon, able to let you save hundreds and even thousands of dollars on products that you might be shopping for. I've been using Vipon personally for a few years now, and I've been saving hundreds of dollars on products that I want to buy for gifts or YouTube videos, and Vipon allows me to do that. You can get heavily discounted products and sometimes even free products on Vipon with a quick touch of a button. Now it's very simple to use. All you have to do is download VipeOn app in a link in the description. Available for Android and App Store. Sign in into your account, browse the products you want to save money on, and then you press get coupon code and you paste it into Amazon and you'll save hundreds of dollars. Download VipeOn today to save hundreds of dollars on your next purchase. So let me just talk about this desk real quick. So this desk obviously goes really low and goes really high. Right now it's up to 28 inches. I don't know if you can see that, but it goes really high up. You can either adjust it like this as so, or you can have presets. So I have currently the first one for recording while standing, the second one recording while sitting or just in general, and then the 3 I don't have it yet, but you can choose that with these buttons right there. So I'm going to show you the standing. There we go. So it's 39 inches tall, which is a fairly decent height for if I were to be standing, so I can be able to see everything really, really well. I can adjust everything perfectly from here. So I can adjust the lighting if I wanted to perfectly from here. I can access everything right here from the camera. I can see the viewfinder perfectly fine. I can adjust the camera settings from there. And the lighting from here is good as well, as you can see. It is a white background, which is good that I went with the white, which is good that I went with the white table. I can also use this little phone tripod mount that it came with. So if I ever need a time lapse or something with my phone, I can use this, which is really cool. I have my camera batteries right here on the left, my gimbal right here in case I do my phone second camera angle or just anything in general for B-roll and stuff. That's what I use. Quick access right there, it's out of the frame. And then right here I have my mirror just to see the viewfinder. On the right side we do have our daily essentials, so we have our power bank. This is the MagSafe power bank by Anker. Really helpful for everyday use if we ever need to get a full charge from my phone and stuff like that. We have that ready. We have our waterproof earbuds for shower, AirPod Pros, Apple Watch. Right here we do have our microfiber cloth. Usually I have multiple devices that I would need to wipe down or something like that, so I always have a microfiber cloth on the right hand side. I do occasionally clean this desk with other stuff, and then on the right hand side I do have my main unboxing knife, which is a slice ceramic blade. Really amazing knife. I highly recommend it for anyone that wants to start YouTube or just unbox stuff. This is one of the best knives in general. And then I have my custom knife, which I use for the things that are basically tougher, that I can use with a steel blade rather than ceramic. Yeah, and then I can shoot my product right here, and then you can see an overhead shot, and it's really, really nice. And then if I ever wanted to, I have my ottoman here. I changed this to the first setting. Which so happens to be a really good angle for basically everything, and it's really close to hitting just stuff in general. I do have to have some cables hanging down because obviously it's a standing desk, you have to have cables kind of crazy. So yeah, cable management is kind of iffy on this. You can't really do a whole lot, but I did my best and it does look all right. It's doable. So yeah, that's that. I have my ottoman here. I can sit down, I can do videos, which is really, really convenient. Before I wasn't able to do that. I really wanted to sit down on Anabox stuff. Now I could do that. Before I was sitting on my knees while unboxing a product, and it was very, very frustrating, especially for my knees. On the bottom of my standing desk, I have a trash can, easy access, so I can be able to throw away trash in there. Obviously when I'm doing a product, throw it in there rather than throwing it off to the side, even though I do usually throw stuff off to the side. Right here we just have our mini fridge. We have a planner here so we could plan out just days and everything. I haven't really used this a whole lot, but it's there if we need it. And then obviously we have stuff in there. Fan, we don't use that right now because it's winter. Electric screwdriver, I usually use these obviously for stuff that needs to be repaired or anything like that. I can use that. Just quick access text support right here, I guess you could say. Rubik's Cube collection, G Fuel, and I think that's it. And then on the bottom, obviously, we have cables, chargers, and other stuff. To the left, to the very left, we have some boards. This is some backdrops for my videos. I could just put the poster boards right here. I have blue backdrop, red backdrop, yellow, green, and it'll look really well. I haven't used it yet with this setup, but I will use it a lot. I just want to use this white background a lot more because before I had white paper, which didn't look good, but this actually looks good, and it brightens up the whole background as well as the product on the side. There's no shadows and it looks really cool. A very minimal shadow. It's not harsh shadows, but it looks really good on camera. So yeah, that's that. I'm pretty sure that's the whole setup. I do love it. This standing desk is a game changer for me, and I'm pretty sure depending on which type of setup you will be using, it'll work. Once again, these are the Neewer 660 LEDs. As you can see, 100%, 5600 Kelvin. You can use it with a remote as well. They're 2.4 gigahertz compatible with a remote, and it's really well. You can obviously adjust these little C-clamps as well, so the height and angle you want. Really, really helpful. But I kept it like this since everything needs to be pointed directly down rather than anything else. But I can adjust these if I ever wanted to, which is really helpful. So fully adjustable setup for YouTube making. Whatever other adjustments I'll be making, I will make in the future, but so far this is a really good setup. I really do love it, and you'll see more videos just on this and my overall setup in general. I'll be doing a ton of more upgrades, giveaways, and more just videos in general, and you'll be seeing that very, very soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.